Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful video from PLD Craft Class. Today we're making these beautiful lapel pins, rose lapel pins. But first things first, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. Okay, so what we're going to do is make sure that you fasten your lapel pin very well, the leaf and the pin itself, because I noticed it pulls out easily. So one way to do this is to use your super glue, apply it to the tip of the pin, the other end of the pin, apply just a little super glue and then push into the pin. The reason why I say this is it's very easy for your pin to pull off while it's attached to your dress from the upper end, and you know that's quite embarrassing. Has happened to me quite a few times, and then I realized, okay, I need to permanently fasten this thing to the leaf area. So now we would the next step is to fasten your tool. Well, this is just some regular random tool that I had from another project. What we'll do is just to fold it into say like something like a triangle, a diamond shape, not a triangular shape, and this represents like a leaf, like a gold leaf. You know, I was just looking for something extra to do. If you do not want any of this, you can just easily attach your rose straight on to the lapel pin. So I'm going to attach something like this, another tool, another piece of tool, attach it to the other side, make it look like two leaves coming out of both ends, or both sides of the rose. I'm applying this with hot glue, which is quite I wouldn't say controversial, but it takes a little bit of patience to work with, and it hurts like crazy. So after fastening our golden tool material to the rope, you want to make sure you apply a generous amount of hot glue to the lapel pin, the metal area. Why this is because you want your rose to be properly attached to, even though there are other measures we would use to attach our rose to the lapel pin, but you just want at least this particular stage. You don't want your rose shifting and not staying in one particular location. So after attaching that, we're attaching our felt, and this is another measure of fastening our lapel pin to our rose. So we're just going to apply a generous amount of hot glue to just the circular area. If you notice, the felt on the rose is just about the same size as the felt on the other felt I'm attaching, and the other felt is wider so that it can, you know, cover the area with the rose. I say this because it's very important you cover all the workings you've done at the back of the rose as well as your lapel pin. Alright guys, so we're done with this lovely project, and I have samples here from other ones that I didn't attach to. They're just, you know, simple and elegant. If you love this video, please do like it, and do not forget to follow this channel for more amazing DIY videos. Thanks so much guys. Bye.